with a couple guys from the club. They, I think Chuck doing some stuff to his truck. Maybe get some stuff done to my truck. I don't know. If I don't, I mean, I'll just be there. You know, just trying to get some content for y'all. I got my wife and my son with me, so just gonna go hang out for the day, see what we can get into. Like, comment, subscribe, share, turn notifications on, and don't vlog and drive like I'm doing.
I dumped the fuck on you.
We're back again with Backyard. Nigga putting them goddamn RC uppers in there.
They say that they don't fit on other models, but
Clearly.
them bitches fit, right?
Clearly they do. So all y'all haters out there, just know.
Master shit talker right there, boy.
I'm on top of the heavy gang, gonna be on there. Wait till July. You already know what time it is. QC the motherfucking game. We got the hardest builds out here. Every brand. You already know what time it is. Ford, Chevy, Dodge, Tundra. Come on, man. Don't fuck with us. You already know what time it is. Read the back of that shirt real quick. You already know what time it is. QC the motherfucking game. So as always, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, motherfucker.
I ain't even have to fucking say shit. I just turned the camera on and let Chuck go to work. How many pair of fucking brush axes you seen? Yeah. Don't ask how we got them. We got them though.
You already know what time it is, man.
We got them. Jesus Christ, bro. Here at Backyard Built. This bitch big. Pause.
Damn 4x4 delete. We do it all, man. You know what I'm saying? Everybody want to try to stack on 4-wheel drive. Just take that shit out. You don't need all
The
that
winter
bullshit.
time, we put the 4-wheel back in, lift it back up, mud trucks.
See, when it's summertime, we out here with the heat. I don't give a fuck.
Toot it up, pal. Come on, man.
God damn,
Ride better
Chuck.
laid back.
And by the way, we deep as fuck out here too.
Oh, okay.
The whole half of QC out here. And the car over there in the game, you know, it's way over there in the cut.
Fayetteville, Lumberton.
Hey, let's ask YouTube about these damn tires.
Let's
He
ask
just
you
looked
two
it up
about
and
that.
said they 35.
So 375, 40, 24s, 35.8 with 14.76 watts.
Them ain't no fucking fives, bro.
Look at them.
Let's ask, yeah, let's ask, bro. All right, boom. So the tire in question, you can see it from down the line here. It's the same shit as Spiffy 7s. Y'all think these motherfuckers is 35s, bro?
They're 36s.
Bro, these
5.8.
375, 40, 24s. There's no fucking way, bro. That shit is like a 38. That's a big ass fucking tire. Look how wide this motherfucking tire is, dog. Look at that shit. What y'all think? Comment down below. Tell me what y'all think, bro. QC, 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 QC with the car. Spiffy said he about to pop out with a what the fucking. We ain't gonna put the name of his lift in here because we ain't telling everything.
It's custom, man. Look at it. Look at that bit leaning, man. Mud truck. Come on, man. Mud truck. Come on.
Well, we do a vlogging as usual.
Gotta get all the food. Got everything laid out.
It's only 36s. Shut up, Patrick.
All I seen was all this on all y'all.
Goddamn, Chuck. Chuckiana up there, boy. Tagger Abby that's sitting higher than this. Look at my mans. Call me trippy, boy. Let's find out what the fuck Chuck think.
Hell no.
What you think, Chuck?
Oh yeah, you already know. Look, more to come as always. So stay continued. Subscribe to my boy The Life of Grant and to my boy Goddamn Backyard Built.
Yes, sir.
And we gonna keep y'all updated because you know QC. I know Rico don't like the name on top, but hey, QC on top, my boy. Come on, let's get.
Let's get an inside look. Chuck sit real close to the steering wheel because he's short as fuck. He not short as Skylar though. Oh, motherfucker. We officially are in the I can't see shit club. Look at this man standing straight up in front of it, bro. You can't see a goddamn thing. Let's see how far we go down. Airborne. Yee! So I'm gonna throw this in my rebuild video. So y'all might see this truck before the video actually get posted. But yeah, QC them done it again. Next member of QC, we gotta jump him in, you feel me? My man King Sean, we gotta jump that nigga in.
Again, another one.
Another one for the pain, backyard built pain.
Well, my time here, you know.
All right, my boy.
Had to get him in the air.
Yes, sir.
Oh shit, fuck. All right. My man Patrick. SpongeBob. What it do? I'm about to head down to my boy's house. Y'all already know where I'm going. I'm gonna get some footage on the process of the truck, where it is right now. I was just gonna do one big rebuild video, trying to get 20 minutes or so, but my lift's still on back order, so I don't want to go weeks without a video trying to build up for one big one. So pause. So yeah, I'm gonna get the process of where it is now, and then I'll still do a pretty lengthy video once the rebuild is complete. I talked to the shop that I ordered the lift from about 2-3 days ago, and they said the lift is probably still 2 weeks out on back order at the most. I did get some new spacers. I got some Ford spacers. What else? I sold my wheels on the truck, so wait for Lindsay's to get the wheels in that I'm getting. I am going back with 26x14s on 37s, so whenever they get those in, me and Rico both are going down to snag a set. But yeah, man, just stay tuned. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, share, turn notifications on. And as always, I appreciate y'all for tuning in with the Life of Grant. Just give me all a little update. Goddamn. The whole ceiling is out, roof, whatever you want to call it. It's about to get wrapped and the stars going in this motherfucker. What else we got? I'm gonna lay it all the way the fuck back. Here with Rico Band himself. We on the goofies. So y'all see what's going on while I've been MIA. But yeah, they covered up right now. He ain't wanna short no wires out of nothing. Put the PAs in. My truck dead right now. When I get it jumped off here in a few minutes, I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna play a Rico song so that I don't get my shit copyrighted. Oh yeah, we got the fucking bracket for the spring back on there. I just gotta put it in. And as we continue to build it, I keep updating y'all instead of trying to go a month with no videos. So let me know what y'all think. Comment down below what else you want to see done. If we got time, we might make it work.
And if you get Gramp, you got it recorded still? Yeah. If you get Gramp to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, I will put my truck to 18 and not think twice about it.
Like, comment, subscribe. Get me to 1,000. We're gonna put that bitch on 18. Tell them to goddamn put it at 18 and no blocks.
18 and no blocks. I'll do it.
18 and no blocks.
To whatever event is coming up that day.
Well, yeah, all the trash in here from, not the trash, but the boxes, so you can see what we got going on back here. But yeah, just wait till we finish with it, man. Shit going up. So what's up, y'all? So we back out here. Jumped my truck back off because it was dead to the world, just so we can hear this. So I'm gonna turn it on, let y'all hear what it sounds like. Let me know what you think.
Hey, I gotta get it. That nigga capping. So we sending some shots at his fitted. You smoking that midget. Smoking dispensary loud. You need an appointment to get it. That bitch, she a body. She give me time for some shots. I'm sipping Sirocco with Diddy. I'm chasing that guap. I wake up and I don't stop. I gotta go get me a minute.
I'm about Rico out here vlogging, but I'm probably 20 yards away from the truck, and it's still crispy. Oh shit, I just stepped on the anthill. Boy, I done fucked up. Ooh. Man. Boy, I stepped in a big ass anthill. I stepped in a big ass anthill. But yeah, shit clear. What it do? Once again, I want to thank y'all for tuning into this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, turn notifications on. Stay tuned for the build. Also, comment down below what you would like to see on this channel outside of my truck being built. Once we finish with that, you know, it's gonna be a lot of show vlogs. Gotta build my wife's Jeep. So yeah, we're gonna do a lot of stuff like that on here as well. So also, as my man Rico Band said, when I get 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, he'll put his truck at 18. I think it's currently at 15. He'll take the blocks out the back. So let's get me to 1,000 subscribers so we can put him at 18 with no blocks in the back. So. Also, I got some people that said they never heard of people stacking levels on lifts. Yes, we do that. Levels stacked on top of the lift. English good. Some English. Not everybody English is good, but we take pride in making sure our shit is safe. So. Like, comment, subscribe, share, turn notifications on. As always, thank you for tuning in with the Life of Grimp.
Got me moving so swiftly, and I'm smoking that Doja. Choppers pull out and I'm having them singing like Frozen. I control.